Northrop Grumman reporting a big profit, but a disappointing outlook this morning. The stock is up a little bit, about 2%, but overall, it's down about 20% in the past year. Now, Morgan Brennan had a chance to speak with Northrop Grumman CEO a short while ago. She joins us now with more. Morgan, what was the tone and topic of the conversation? I think it was one of, if not the first, big broadcast interviews that the CEO has done.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. It was a wide-ranging interview. It was a very rare interview for Kathy Warden, who took the helm of Northrop Grumman just 2 years ago. Northrop delivering a strong quarter, as you just mentioned. It was in a strong year. That's despite COVID. Looking forward, Warden saying she sees defense budgets flattening, but that the Biden administration is assembling a very experienced team that understands the threat environment. So some similar comments to the ones that Jim Takelett at Lockheed Martin gave to me earlier this week. Northrop is prime for two parts of nuclear triad modernization. She expects the ground-based strategic deterrent, that's the ICBM replacement program that's valued at upwards of $85 billion, to be reviewed, but believes that the administration will find it underway and performing well. On the classified B-21 stealth bomber, echoing recent Air Force comments that it will be ready. It will fly when it's ready. Right now, the Air Force is targeting 2022 with 2 aircraft under construction. Lastly, on the space portfolio, which grew 18% last year, she expects continued strength, not just for defense and national security, which are key parts of that business, but also commercial space, with offerings like one that extends the life of satellites in orbit. And Brian, I just mentioned that disappointing outlook. This is also a company that recently announced that it's going to sell its IT services business, which I think is the reason for the revision in the outlook on broader sector consolidation. She believes that we're going to continue to see that, including in IT services. Back over to you.
All right, great stuff there, and a big interview there, and a very rare one, as you said. Morgan Brennan, good to, quote, see you. Take care.
You too.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.